Hello, good morning Akshita. Akshita, I wanted to first in the last class I have done the exercise not last to last before class I have done exercise 703. In that we have doubts. The doubts I am going to first write here. The doubts are fifth question is a doubt. Next sixth question C bit is the doubt. Next eighth question C bit might be the doubt. Ninth question B bit you have asked the doubt, and sir 12th question I have recorded it. No, I have taught it, but it got not recorded in the video. So 12th question, these all things I am going to first explain to you. So before this, Akshita, please open your textbook. Once open your textbook and see these questions parallelly. Now I am going to the fifth question. See, I am not pasting the question on the screen, rather I can just show you. One second. I can show you the question or paste it also, what is there in that. So the fifth question is this one. Fifth question is connected to the fourth question. At that time I did not understand the question, but I think the question is very easy. I have read it in a wrong way. So in the last class, the reason why I did not explain this fifth question is, here it is mentioned mean. In my mind, actually, while reading the question, I always read it like mode. So I thought, why you can't find the mode? Because I already found the mode for each of these things. I think in the first data, the Hyundai is the mode. In the second data, Spade is the mode. Third data, Korean is the mode, right? So now I thought, why we can't find the mode? Actually we already found, but he is asking about the mean. Yes, Akshita, mean we cannot find. Sir, mean can only be found for numerical data, not for alphabetical data. Mean means sum of all the entries divided by total number of entries. Na? Here what you can add, Holden plus Ford plus Nissan, you will not get nothing. You will not get anything. Therefore, mean can only be found for numerical data, but not for alphabetical data, but not for you can say other data. Other than numerical, anything else we can't find the mean, sir. Mean means you need to have a numerical data. So one doubt clarified. Now second doubt is sixth one. See, sixth question, I'll just paste the question again. So if you see this, Akshita, in this question, we found the mean, we found the mode. Those two are very easy. Now he is asking which measure of location represents this score, this set of scores better. So he is saying among the two, mode or mean, which is a better measure. So always, sir, mean is the better measure. Always mean is the better. Why? Because, sir, while we are calculating the mean, we are taking care of each and every value in the data. That's why mean is much better than any other way. Like in the upcoming class, I think in this class might be we will be learning about the median. But median also is not better actually. That also does not take care of all the data. One and only one thing, mean is the only thing which takes care of each and every value in the data. That's why mean is better. But if you see about the modes, mode doesn't take care of all the values. It only sees which value is repeating more. That only will give you as answer. Therefore, it is not a suitable measure for this data. Is that clear? So whenever a person wanted to judge how a batsman is scoring, how a bowler is actually really bowling, he needs to take the mean, not the mode. Sir, imagine actually in the plenty, like a batsman is batting, a batsman has played 100 matches. In the 100 matches, sir, he has got 400s, 4 centuries. Now, so if at all we ask the average of the batsman, sir, you should not take the mode and say, sir, he got 4 times 100, sir, so his mode is 100, sir, therefore his batting average is very good. No, you should not say that. What about other 96 matches? Sir, he is not at all playing, he is just getting out for the single digit. It's not a valid, he is not a proper batsman. So for that, if at all you wanted to say whether he is a proper batsman or not, we need to take the mean, not the mode. Okay, na? The 6th question clarified. 5th, 6th, next 8th question, sir. Whatever doubts are there, everything I think it got clarified for me because of you sending the answer sheet to me. Thank you. Now, sir, 8th question we have done some parts, last part is remaining for us to answer. We have answered, I think so, but still with confidence I wanted to answer it right now here. See, Akshita, here the ages of the members of Carosa family, this we have found it. Calculate the mean age for both the families. I think here mean age we are getting it as 26.33. Here we are getting the mean age as 33.33, right? What is the main difference between these two set of ages? That also I have told you. There is a higher numbers actually here. 93 is a very higher number which is not there in the Carosa family. That is also clear. What effect does this difference have? Sir, because of this 93, sir, the Binns family has or have, I don't know, has or have, whatever it may be. Binns family has, I think have only. Binns family have, I'm not getting it, sorry. Binns family has more mean than that of Carosa family. So that is the reason. 8C is also explained. If at all you wanted to peacefully write down, sir, please make you pause the video or make it in a slow motion, you can hear it nicely. Next, coming to 9th question, which you said, sir, B-bit, I have the doubt. Okay, even 9th question, B-bit, actually, sir, I did not explain properly. First of all, I think A-bit you have known, you got it, C-bit also you got it. Please confirm to me in the WhatsApp message. Sir, when you are hearing the YouTube video, if I ask you to something, message me immediately while hearing the video only you message. Right now I am asking whether the A-bit and C-bit clear or not. So while you are hearing this video, at that time only you put the message. Yes, sir, 9th question A-bit and C-bit are clear. Now coming to B-bit, sir, which data has marks spread out nicely? Correct, sir. Here in the 8Y, sir, marks are spread out between the numbers 5 and 8 only. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8. Between 5 and 8 only marks are spread out. But if you come to 8Z, the marks are spread out between 3 and 10. See, 3 will be somewhere here, 10 will be somewhere here. Whose spread is more? The 8Z ka spread is more than the 8Y. The spreading of marks actually. So that's the, you should answer, describe the difference between the way each class has its marks spread out. 8Z has more spread out than 8Y. I hope so you understand it. So if you understand it, just immediately message me, sir, 9B, I understood it. Okay, thank you. Now, sir, 12th question in the last class I did not explain to you. No, I have recorded it, but some problem came in the middle. I just went for seeing something and the recording got stopped. So let me explain the 12th question again. If at all in the last video 12th question is already there, ignore hearing it. If not, actually please hear and make a note in your notebook. Sir, see this 12th question. Find 4 scores that have a mean of 10 and mode of 11. Correct? So mean only 4 actually. They want only 4 data values. 4 data values for which they have mode 11. Sir, I wanted to take 11, 11, 11. No, only 2 times 11. But mean also they need 10. Nah? So I will consider it like 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 10 plus 8. See, these are the 4 data values, Akshita, for which the calculate the mean will be how much? 11 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8, divided by 4. So 40 by 4, the mean is going to be 10. Mode is going to be most repeating data, that is 11. So satisfied mode 11, mean 10. Sir, you can also give one more example. 11, 11, 11, 33, and you can take this as 7. For this data also, mean is 10, mode is 11. So Akshita, you might have understood this question very nicely, 12th question A bit. Now I want you to do the 12th question B bit as homework. Please don't forget to submit the homework. I will ask in the next class. 12th question B bit is your homework. Do it and send me the photo for me. Okay na? Bye bye. So with this actually sir, 703 exercise is over. And in the previous class, just previous class, I am doing questions from other textbook where I have, whether you heard it or not, I don't know. That class is a very important class. You should hear it actually. So please hear that class. It has a very beautiful problems. Always hear the classes in serial number. Now, so I have some more questions upon the mean, some good questions. After that I will go to the next part in your textbook. Just a second, I will open that your textbook also. In my tablet, in my computer it is already open sir. Okay sir, before opening that, write down a question sir. Sir, if 3, 7, 8, 9 occur with frequencies, 2, 3, 1 and 4 respectively, then find the arithmetic mean. Akshita, one more thing, you are not following the one of the rule that whenever you start the class, immediately you have to put the message, sir I started the class, hearing the class. Whenever you end it actually, then you have to put the message that I ended it. Don't put a message to me like, sir I started the class at 2 p.m. and ended it at 2:40. No, I wanted to know when you are hearing. No, I wanted to just see your attendance for the class. So when you start the class, at that time only just put a message to me that I started it. And when you ended the class, at that time you put the message that sir I ended the class. These are my doubts. In the middle of the class also, you know, whatever things are I ask you to message, in the middle of the class also you please message me. I'll have the full updates actually. It's like fully live class actually sir. So see this question. If 3, 7, 8, 9 occur with frequencies 2, 3, 1 and 4 respectively, then find the arithmetic mean. Sir, 3 is occurring with frequency 2, 7 is occurring with frequency 3, 8 is occurring with frequency 1, 9 is occurring with frequency 4. What is the meaning of occurring with frequency? 3 is occurring with frequency 2 means 3 is appearing 2 times. 7 is occurring with frequency 3 means 7 is appearing 3 times. 8 with 1, only one time 8 you should write, 9 4 times. So now he is asking what is arithmetic mean? Very simple sir. How many entries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 values are there. So first of all, to calculate the mean, we need to have the addition of all these values. How much it is going to be? 6 plus 21, 27 plus 8, 35 plus 36. 35 plus 36 is going to be 71 by total 10 values. Therefore, the mean for this data is going to be 7.1. Is this clear, dear Akshita? If it is clear, please note down, pause the video and note down. I am going for the next one. So don't be in tension to write down the notebook. Please pause the video and note down. No problem. Next question, sir. I am writing the question. The mean of 5 observations. The mean of 5 observations is 32. Now, by mistake, one observation is registered by mistake, one observation is registered as 60 instead of 50. Find the correct mean. Akshita, I just wanted to check it whether the video is properly recording or not. Let me once check it. Yes, it is properly recording, sir. Now, see this question. The mean of 5 observations is 32. By mistake, one observation is registered as 60 instead of 50. So it should be written as 50, but while taking it, actually it is registered as 60. Find the correct mean. So we don't know what are that observations. Let us take that observations as x1, x2, x3, x4. Sir, last one, instead of taking it as x5, sir, I wanted to take it as 6 because it is registered as 60. I will take it as 60. These are our 5 observations. This instead of 60, sir, there should be 50. But for now, let us take it as 60. And he said that for these 5 values, the mean is going to be how much? 32. Correct, na? 32. So let's calculate mean. X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus 60 divided by 5 is equal to 32. Sir, with this actually information we can get the value of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. So now x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus 60 is equal to 5 into 32, that is 160. Therefore x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 100. Akshita, I am giving you 1 minute time, or 1 minute time to just copy the question or whatever it might be. Just copy the answer also till here. Actually, this 1 minute time I am giving because I am speaking continuously. I need little bit of rest actually in between, otherwise my mouth is paining sometimes. Okay, so 1 minute time I have successfully taken, sir. If at all you need more time, please pause the video and go ahead. Now we just got the value of Akshita here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Now instead of 60, let's take it as 50 because that is what the actual data is, and then find the actual mean. So now actual data going to be x1, x2, x3, x4 comma 50. So for this we need to find the mean, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus 50 divided by 5. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 we got it as 100, that I am writing it as 100 plus 50 divided by 5. Therefore 150 divided by 5, the actual mean is going to be 30. Clear? This is your actual mean, correct mean. That's what they are asking in the question. Please note down this, Akshita. I am giving you 1 minute time. Akshita, I'll just continue with the next slide. Please note down the next question. These are all questions from the external source. So the question is, the mean of 12 observations. The mean of 12 observations is 19.5. If two observations 16 and 18 are deleted, if two observations 16 and 18 are deleted, find the mean of the remaining observations. Find the mean of the remaining observations. Okay, so this is the question. The mean of 12 observations is given as 19.5. From if two observations, sir, among the 12 observations 16 and 18 are the two observations which we have to delete. Find the mean of the remaining observations. So 12 observations are there. So let's take x1 plus x2 plus so on up to x10, 10 observations, and 11th observation is 16, 12th observation is 18. So totally there are 12 observations, therefore the mean, and they have given the mean as 19.5. So from this step we can get the value of x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to so on up to x10. Therefore x1 plus x2 so on up to x10 is equal plus 16 plus 18 is equal to 12 into 19.5. So 12 into 20 is 240 minus 6, that is 234. This value is 234. And 18 plus 16, Akshita, I can write it as 34. Therefore x1 plus x2 so on up to x10 is nothing but 234 minus 34, that's going to be 200. Till now it should be clear for you. I am giving 1 minute time to please note down this. In the meantime, I just want to check it whether the video is properly recording. Yeah. Yes, Akshita. Now I am going for the array. Yes. So now Akshita, I wanted to go for next thing, that is find the mean of the remaining observations. The 10 observations are there na? For that mean we have to find. So that's going to be x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on up to x10 divided by 10. We got this value in the previous slide. How much? 200. So 200 divided by 10, answer is going to be 20. So this is the mean of remaining data. Is that clear, dear Akshita? Should be clear. Okay, fine. So with this we are leaving the mean concept. And now I think, sir, mean concept is also over. In our next class, might be this is a 25 minutes class actually. In our, sir, it might be a short classes actually. You know, I wanted to record every day half an hour. Sometimes it can go less, sometimes it can go 5 minutes more. So today we are doing 25 minutes, tomorrow we'll do 35 minutes. and that I'm going to start from your textbook, the next exercise, that is 704, where we will be discussing about the range and the median. Okay Akshita, fine, then I'm ending the class over here. Please update your attendance, and then also any doubts please post me. Thank you very much. Good night. Bye bye.